Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete all your Facebook friends in one go. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, first of course, we're going to open the Facebook app. Next, you need to go to the menu. And then you click on the gear at the top. And then you scroll down until you find the block activity option. And then you select connections. And then you select friends. And underneath that, you click on manage friends. And that way you can see all your friends that you've added as friends. And in order to remove a person from your friends, you just need to click on the three dots against the name. Then click Unfriend. After that, you just need to confirm the action in order to remove this person from your friends. You see this action happens immediately, instantly, and in order to remove many friends at once, you just do the same thing with all the people you want to remove. This way you can delete all the friends you want to delete at once. This is the most efficient and fastest method to get it done. I hope this video was useful for you. Please like, comment, and see you soon.